Hi there guys, in this video I'm just going to talk about a simple plan is the best. Hello there, Jason Topali here from thetrainersedge.co.uk. So in this video, based on my experience, I found a simple plan is the best. In my experience, most people are not strong, so I have developed a coaching plan to help fix that. I just want to get a lot of people a little bit stronger, and hopefully along the way a few people will get a lot stronger. My plan is just to help you get stronger, and the approach is just really simple. I teach and coach how to use the barbells correctly and show you an effective way to dramatically increase your strength in a relatively short period of time. I've been doing this for quite a while now, and what I do and way I coach works extremely well. Typically people come to me 2 days a week because that's as much of a commitment most people with their busy lives are willing to make. Some trainees are more committed and will come maybe 3 days a week, and a very select few advanced strength clients will come train with me 4 times a week. The first few days are very straightforward. We teach new clients how to squat, press, deadlift and bench correctly. They're sort of like 4 big daddies. Some people figure these out right away, and are able to start making progress really quickly, while other people need to spend a little more time focused on this basic instruction. It really doesn't matter which category you fall in. Results are completely based on long-term commitment and how seriously you are to invest in the program. Everyone does 2 to 3 basic barbell lifts with each time they come and train with me, and we teach them the proper movement and proper techniques. We also teach them the importance of recovery between these sessions. So once you learn the basic movement patterns, we progress on mastering each time you come in by providing real-time feedback, professional instruction and ongoing support. We take time to reinforce the basic movements so that we can progressively add weight to the bar, and then so you are prepared to handle it. And that is it. Learn the basic movements, consistently practice and get better at the basic movements. Add weight to the bar and do what is necessary to recover properly between sessions. And that is the entire plan. We are focused on getting strong, not confused by out-of-date bodybuilding types of workouts that quite frankly any PT can really look up and download from the net. Also, I very rarely use boot camp style or AMRAP kind of workouts. Our results are always constant and good. Everyone gets stronger. The program works when it's applied correctly, and we know from many years of experience exactly what needs to be done. The program does eventually get really hard after the first few months, and most people may quit after this, but they will enjoy the initial process. Sometimes that does frustrate myself when people do leave, but that's the nature of the human race. Not everyone is willing to work hard enough to earn the above average results, and some people face circumstances that prevent them from being able to do more. People that want to go further and get even stronger have to work even harder. There are some that do that, but most sometimes do not. Regardless, just about everyone can get a lot stronger than they currently are. It's just up to you if you decide you want to. Even if you've never lifted a weight before in your life, you can increase your strength significantly in a few months. You just have to follow a simple plan of basic barbell training and adequate recovery. Seriously, it just works every time. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below and thumbs up. Please like and share with your friends. I shall see you on another video coming soon. See you guys later.